Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to get the last known location from the location manager. This is the latitude and the longitude for this phone. So if I press this button, I'm gonna get the longitude and also the latitude. Um, and this is the program that we're gonna be creating. So to start, we have to go to the design of our activity, and here I'm using a relative layout to place the text view and the button in the activity. The ID for the text view is TV location, and the ID for the button is BTN. So yeah, this is what we have to do to create our layout. So close it, and now we're going to the manifest. Since we are getting the last known location, we need to add this permission in the manifest. In this case, the permission is access find location. Once you've done that, you have to close it. We're not gonna use it anymore. And now let's wanna check the GPS tracker. And here, well, we need to create a constructor from the GPS tracker class, and we're gonna pass a context, and then we're gonna pass that context to this property. Okay, and whenever we are getting the location from the location manager, we have to check if we have permission. And this is how we check if we have permission. If we have this access find location permission, we can get the last known location. However, if we don't have it, if we don't have permission, we're going to return null to this method. So we won't have a location object. Then, if we have permission, we're going to create a location manager, and we're going to do that by assigning a location service to this method. And here is where we are using the context from the main activity. And then we have to check if the GPS enable. So we're going to use the isProvider enable from the location manager. And then we're going to use an if-else statement to check if it is enabled. If it is not enabled, we're going to print a message that says GPS is not enabled. However, if it is enabled, we're going to use the get last known location from the location manager, and we're going to pass a GPS provider. That means that we're getting the last known location from this GPS provider. And this method is going to give us a location object, which we're going to return like this. Okay, so, and this is all the things that we have to do in our GPS tracker class. So now close it and open the main activity. The first thing that we have to check is all the imports that we're going to need. These are the imports. Then we have to find our button and our text view. this button and the text view are here in this activity underscore main. So this is how we find them, by the ID. Okay. Now we're gonna add a on-click listener to the button, like this. This is how we add an on-click listener to the button. And then we're gonna create an instance of the GPS tracker. Once we have an instance of the GPS tracker, we're gonna use the getLocation object from this instance to actually get a location object. And if we don't have, if the location is, if we don't have any object, well, we're gonna print a message. We're gonna that says GPS is off. However, if we actually have an object, we're gonna get the latitude and the longitude. And then we're gonna use a string format to specify how we want to print the longitude and the latitude. Once we have that information, we're gonna pass it to the text view, and this is how we're gonna set the text. And this is it. This is all the things that you have to do to get the last known location from the location manager. And well, this is the application that we just created. Now I'm going to update this. I'm going to update the latitude and the longitude using this map, and I'm gonna choose right now the location is in Canada. I'm gonna move to the United States, and now you can see that the longitude and the latitude are different. So let me press this button, and as you can see, the longitude has been updated. Also the latitude has been updated. So this is how we get the last known location using the location manager. So thanks for watching.